Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove TikTok account from other device. So to do that, let's head over to your TikTok application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to profile on your TikTok profile on the lower right corner. So once you're there, head over to the three lines icon on the top right. Then go to settings and privacy. From there, scroll down and go to activity center. Here, if you can't find the option, then go to security and permissions. Here you will find the option of manage devices under security sections. So head over to manage devices. This might take a while to load. So once you're there, you can find where your TikTok is logged in. So yeah, this is how you can just do it, and you can also remove it by tapping the recycle bin icon on the right. So as you can see, if once I tap it, this layout arises. What I need to do is just to tap on remove and it's removed. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.